G'day and welcome to Australia Towbars Performance. Today we had a great pleasure of working on this beautiful BMW X6M and we've installed a German designed and engineered Westfalia towbar with a fully integrated wiring kit. I'll show you quickly how easy it is to attach and detach it and how neat the car looks without it. So when the towbar is removed and when the wiring is tucked out of place, so the abdomen is tucked out, and then we tuck it inside the bumper, it's impossible to say that the vehicle has got a towbar, so it becomes completely invisible when detached, and it's very easy to attach it back. All you gotta do is locate a hole